Welcome to the Postack Easy Content Builder video tutorial. Today, I am going to show you 3 simple ways to add videos to your Shopify product page using our Easy Content Builder. 1. Add a video background with Autoplay. 2. Embed YouTube, Instagram, TikTok videos. 3. Add a video slider next to the Add to Cart button. Let's jump right into the first option, adding a video background with Autoplay. Right now, we're in the theme editor looking at a sample product page. If you're new here, check out the quick start guide in the description below this video to get familiar with the app first. Add a section settings where you can upload your video background. For now, just stick with the default settings. Scroll down to the background video field and upload your chosen video. The video container is a bit small, so let's increase the top and bottom padding to about 350 pixels each. Now, refresh the front page to see how the video looks, and voila, it's autoplaying. No extra work needed. The cool part about using a video background with Easy Content Builder is you can add other content sections right on top of it. Just click Add Block and pick a section to add. I'll go with the section title to show you how. In the section title settings, you can add a heading, tagline, and a call to action. If you want a hero section, this setup is perfect. I'm adding a background color to this text section. Also, add some extra padding for a bit of breathing room at the top and bottom. The container feels a little too big right now, so I'll resize it a bit. If you want, you can also lower the opacity of the background color a bit. Next up, let's move on to the second option, embedding videos from YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. Start by adding a section settings. And leave it as is for now. Then, add the video section. I'll copy the URL of our intro video for this demo and paste it into the YouTube URL field. If you're using TikTok or Instagram, drop those links in instead. You can also upload videos directly from your Shopify store. I'll remove the YouTube video for now and select an uploaded video instead. You can disable video controls or enable autoplay. Just remember you have to mute the video for autoplay to work. Now, what if you want to show more videos in a row? Just go back to section settings and choose the desktop layout you want. Let's try 2-column for now. Then, add another video section just like the first one. Perfect, the second video is up. To create some space between videos, head back to section settings and adjust the column gap. Now, let's dive into the third option, adding a video slider. Instead of the video section, I'm going to use the video slider section. Right now, the video slider only supports uploaded videos for the slider. First, add a section settings, then add the video slider. Open it up, and you'll see all the settings. I'll add the sample videos I prepped earlier. Let's tweak a few settings to show 4 videos per row on desktop. Add rounded borders. And turn on the video icon by default. Finally, Let's place a video slider next to the Add to Cart button. Just remember, you won't need section settings here. Just add the video slider section directly. The settings are pretty straightforward, so you can easily explore them on your own. And that's it. Enjoy adding those videos to your product pages. So thank you all for watching. If you have any question, don't hesitate to leave it in the comments section below.